Hello, friends. Have you ever wondered why the rich seem to keep getting richer, no matter how the economy shifts? It's not just luck. It's not always inheritance. It's not some secret club you'll never get into. The truth is, the rich follow a specific formula, and they repeat it over and over. A formula that compounds wealth, leverages time, minimizes losses, and maximizes growth. In this video, we're going to break down this wealth formula piece by piece so that you can use it too, no matter where you're starting from. By the end, you'll understand how the wealthy think differently about money, the exact systems they use to grow their income and assets, the psychological edge they maintain, and how you can apply these same strategies to your own life. So stick around, because what you're about to learn could truly shift your financial future. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about why rich people stay rich? Part 1. The wealth mindset, thinking like the rich. The rich don't think of money as something to spend. They think of it as a tool to multiply. Key mindset traits: delayed gratification, obsession with return on investment, ROI, willingness to take calculated risks, belief in systems, not just hustle. They don't save just to save. They save to invest. They don't avoid risk. They learn how to manage it. We'll explore how adopting a growth mindset around money leads to smarter decisions and compounding gains. What's one belief about money that you think is holding you back right now? 2. Income multiplication. Why one stream is never enough. Most people rely on one job. The wealthy? Multiple income streams. Types of income the rich focus on: earned income, salary, business profits. Portfolio income, dividends, interest, capital gains. Passive income, rental income, royalties, online products. We'll deep dive into how to build these, especially the ones that grow while you sleep. How many income streams do you currently have? And which type would you want to build next? 3. Asset accumulation, the game of ownership. The wealthy don't just make money, they own things that make money. Examples: real estate, stocks and index funds, private businesses, intellectual property. Ownership builds equity, cash flow, and long-term security. We'll talk about how to start building assets from scratch, even on a modest income. What's one asset you've always wanted to own, and what's been stopping you? 4. Leveraging debt the smart way. Most people fear debt. The wealthy use it as a tool. They understand the difference between bad debt, credit cards, lifestyle inflation; good debt, real estate loans, business capital, investment leverage. They use other people's money to grow wealth, without drowning in liability. We'll explore how to make debt work for you, not against you. Have you ever used debt to invest in something that paid off? Or do you avoid debt completely? 5. Tax efficiency, playing by the rules. The rich understand that taxes are one of their biggest expenses, so they minimize them legally. Strategies: long-term capital gains versus short-term. Business structures and deductions. Real estate depreciation. Retirement account contributions. This section will teach you how to think about your taxes like an investor, not an employee. How confident are you in understanding your taxes? And have you ever used legal strategies to reduce them? 6. Time leverage, buy back your time. The wealthy know that time is more valuable than money. They outsource low-value tasks. They delegate. They hire teams. They automate. The goal: free up time to think, plan, and grow wealth. We'll look at how to apply this, even if you're just getting started. What's one task you're currently doing that you could outsource or automate? 7. Compounding, the eighth wonder of the world. Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, and the rich take that seriously. They invest consistently, reinvest returns, and stay in the game for decades. Real-life examples: investing $500 per month for 20 years, reinvesting dividends, compounding in business reinvestment. Time plus consistency equals exponential results. Are you investing regularly? And if not, what's your biggest obstacle? 8. Networks and influence, wealth through connection. The rich surround themselves with people who teach them, challenge them, support their vision, open doors. We'll discuss the importance of mentors, masterminds, and aligning with value-driven networks. Who in your circle right now helps you think bigger? And who might be holding you back? 9. Long-term vision. Thinking in decades, not days. The wealthy make moves today based on a vision 10, 20, or even 50 years out. They think in legacy, not paychecks. They delay pleasure for future power. They build things that outlive them. This mindset keeps them from chasing quick wins and positions them for generational wealth. Where do you see your finances in 10 years? And what do you need to change today to get there? 10. The repeat cycle. Why they never stop growing. The rich don't stop once they hit a number. They keep reinvesting, learning, building, compounding. Why? To stay ahead of inflation, to protect from future downturns, to create opportunity for others. This mindset of never settling keeps the momentum alive. What would you do if you hit your financial goal today? Would you stop or keep building? It's not a secret, it's a system. Now you know the truth. The rich get richer because they use a system. And you can too. Adopt the mindset. Multiply your income. Own assets. Leverage debt wisely. Play smart with taxes. Protect your time. Let compounding work for you. Build powerful networks. Think long-term. And keep the cycle going. You don't need to be born into wealth. You need to build the habits that create it. And it all starts with one step. One action. One shift in the way you think and use your money. If you got value from this video, like this video, it tells the algorithm to spread this message further. Subscribe to InvestoSphere for more deep dives into wealth, investing, and freedom. Comment below, what's one part of the wealth formula you're going to start applying today? Remember, wealth isn't a destination. It's a formula. And today you just unlocked it.